Look at these food commercials. They look like they were produced by a professional advertising agency. But here's the surprising part. Every single one of them was created using 100% free AI tools. No camera, no expensive equipment, no food stylist, and no video editing experience. Today, I'm going to show you my complete AI food commercial workflow that generates everything for you. From branded storyboards, to cinematic video prompts, to professional food commercials that look ready for Facebook, TikTok, or YouTube. Whether you're creating content for your own restaurant or producing ads for clients, this workflow can save you hours of work while delivering professional-looking results. I'll also share the exact prompts I use, so you can follow along step by step without any guesswork. Alright, let's get started. To get started, you only need one master prompt. I've spent a lot of time refining it, so it works across almost every type of food business. Simply copy the prompt, open ChatGPT, paste it in, and hit enter. The first thing it asks for is your shop or brand name. For this example, I'll use Red Oven Pizza. Next, it asks you to choose your food category. Since this is a pizza restaurant, I'll select pizza. Now it's time to choose the hero food item. This can be anything from a margherita pizza to a veggie supreme, but for this example, I'll go with pepperoni pizza. Before generating the commercial, there's one final option. If your business already has a mascot, avatar, or even your own photo, you can upload it here. If you don't have one, don't worry. The prompt can automatically generate a professional AI brand ambassador that matches your restaurant style, colors, and theme. I'll upload my AI Bits character for this example. Now click Generate. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT creates everything you need: a complete storyboard prompt and a matching cinematic video prompt. Now, let's turn it into a commercial. Copy the storyboard prompt and open a new chat in Google Gemini. Paste the prompt, upload your avatar reference, and click Generate. Within a few moments, your complete storyboard will be ready, just like the one you see on the screen. Download the storyboard image and open Google Flow. Create a new project, choose the Gemini Flash video model, select your preferred aspect ratio, and upload the storyboard. Now return to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt, paste it into Google Flow, and drag the storyboard image into the prompt area. Within a few moments, your cinematic food commercial will be ready. Just look at the result.
Welcome to Red Oven Pizza. Our handcrafted pepperoni pizza is baked fresh with premium ingredients, loaded crispy pepperoni, and incredible flavor in every bite.
Now, let's create a completely different commercial to show how flexible this workflow is. This time, I'll use the brand name Fresh Milk Bar. For the category, I'll select dairy drinks. As the hero product, I'll choose chocolate milkshake. This time, I'll skip the avatar and let the prompt generate one automatically. Once again, ChatGPT instantly creates both the storyboard prompt and the video prompt. I'll repeat the exact same workflow in Gemini and Google Flow. Within minutes, we have another professional commercial, completely different in style, yet created using the exact same process.
Welcome to Fresh Milk Bar. Our creamy chocolate milkshake is blended fresh with rich cocoa, real dairy, and irresistible chocolate goodness in every delicious sip.
As you can see, this workflow works across restaurants, cafes, bakeries, dessert shops, juice bars, barbecue restaurants, street food businesses, and many other food categories. Using this exact method, I've already created dozens of branded AI food commercials. Now it's your turn. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which food business you'd like to create a commercial for next.